Hi, today we're going to go over how to use the technology tool FlipGrid. FlipGrid's a great tool where teachers can pose questions and students create video responses. To start, you're going to go to flipgrid.com. When you get to flipgrid.com, you're going to choose Educator Login. When prompted, you're going to log in with a Google login and click your jeffersonunion.net account. When you first log in, FlipGrid will bring you to your dashboard. If this is your first time, you're going to click Create a Group. You can create a group per subject or per period. For example, I'm going to create a group for my English 9 first period class. It gives me the option to create a unique join code. I'm going to make my join code my last name, the school site that I work at, and P1 for first period. It's going to ask how I want to add students. I'm going to have my students sign up on their own, so I want to click Student Email. On the next screen, it'll ask me what email domains to allow. Because I signed in with my jeffersonunion.net, it automatically populates this with @jeffersonunion.net. I'm going to click Next. The first thing that it's going to have me do is create my first topic. Because I don't have any previously created topics, I'm going to click Skip for now. Next, it gives me the option to share this with the group. I don't want to share my entire dashboard. I just want to share individual questions. So for now, I'm going to click Go to Group. Now I'm in the dashboard for English 9 first period. My next step is going to be to add a topic. This is the question that I'm going to pose to my students. Let's pretend I want to ask my students about their favorite movie. I'm going to type the question that I'm going to ask them. What is your favorite movie? And to encourage them to respond in a full sentence, I'm going to respond using the sentence starter. My favorite movie is. Because I like to have my students explain their reasoning. The default recording time is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Unless you're having students give a long response, you can probably leave that as is, or if you want to encourage them to be succinct, you can make it shorter. I'm going to leave it at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Video moderation is a tool that I can use to look at the videos before they go public. Right now, the way that it is, students' videos will automatically be viewable to the rest of their class. If I want to look at the videos before they are viewable, I can click that to on. For right now, I'm going to leave it off. The next step is to make something, to attach an image to your question. I really like to use Giphies. They're pretty easy to search. I'm going to type in movie, and I like this one. So I'm going to hit select. If I want to, I can also, this is a place where I can attach outside articles, I can attach PDFs, I can link them to another website, all of the above. And last, I'm going to hit create topic. Now my video is ready. So this is when I want to go and I want to post this to my Google Classroom. I can either copy it and move over to Google Classroom, or FlipGrid can take me there. When I click Share to Google Classroom, a new window opens. In this window, it's going to first ask me which classroom I want to share it to. Next, it asks what kind of assignment I want to make. I'm going to click Create an Assignment and go. I give it a title. assign it to all students, give it a point value, create my due date, and click Assign. FlipGrid then tells me that my assignment has successfully been created. Now, when I assign a video, the first thing that I like to do after it's assigned is I like to record a sample response. Recording a response on FlipGrid is really easy. I click Record a Response. It brings up my video. Some things that I like to show students is that if they're uncomfortable putting their face on camera, there are ways that they can disguise themselves. A really easy way is to put an emoji. Students can pick which emoji they want to put. They click on it, and they have the option to make this emoji really big so that it covers their face. Students also have a lot of fun with the effects. They can create frames and add those. They can change the filter. There's all sorts of things that they can do. What I really like about FlipGrid is that it also includes over here in the corner the Show Topic button. So as they're creating their video, they can see your response. If they're a student who likes to prep, they can also drag in the note card. These are things that are not going to be recorded on their video, and they can write themselves notes. For example, I can remind myself of what my favorite video is and why. And then I'm ready to create my video. To create the video, I click the record button. Hi, my favorite video is The Lion King because it absolutely blew my mind when I first realized that The Lion King is a rendition of Hamlet. We click Next. Students have the option to review their video. We're going to skip that part by clicking Next. And then the last thing that they do is they take a selfie to go with their video. Once again, students can disguise themselves if they're uncomfortable putting their face on camera by using one of the filters like Bricks or Pixel. So I'm going to take my picture, hit Next, and it uploads my video. I type the name and hit Submit. And FlipGrid tells me that my video has been a success.